Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your LENOVO Tab M8. First open the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. Now allow permission to the files, and to show free credits banner again, restart the application. Now click on the plus and choose source of your document. I'm gonna pick a quick photo. And now you can add this a shape to your document or the picture. Then you can choose filter for a photo to make it more visible. If you already click on the accept icon, type the number in this place, choose the country from the list, and to send this message just click on this button. This is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.